This tonics can help your body reducing stress and anxiety. Keep watching to discover your new favorite flavorful drinks. To improve your mind and combat stress, drink ginger tea. This plant has 14 bioactive chemicals and antioxidant characteristics that make it a powerhouse. These substances have been discovered to improve cognitive performance. It may even protect the brain in middle-aged women. According to a rat study trusted source, it protects against oxidative stress-related damages. Ginger has also been shown in animal experiments to affect serotonin levels and may be as effective as benzodiazepine medicines in treating and reducing anxiety. Ginger's health advantages include: brain function can be improved. Ginger has antioxidant properties. It is possible to reduce stress level. Ginger doesn't have a range of harmful side effects. Just make sure you're not overdoses, more than 4 grams, as it could irritate your stomach. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.